Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about how we can create a method in Jshell with simple examples. Let me start the Jshell. See here, I have started the Jshell. Let first suppose take a void method which is hello, open the braces. I am saying system dot out dot print line. In that I am just printing hello world, semicolon, close the braces and press enter. See here, the method hello has been created. After that, if I want to see the output, what I need to do here is I will just say hello and press enter. See here, the output hello world has been visible. Let me discuss another example by taking parameters. Void, I am saying sum, pass two parameters, int a comma int b. I am saying open the braces. I am saying like system dot out dot print line. I am just adding the two values which I have passed as a parameters. Close the braces. See here, method sum int comma int has been created. For example, if I want to see the output, what I need to do here is sum 1 comma 2 I am saying and press enter. See here, the answer is 3. Let's first suppose discuss another example by returning a string. I am saying string wish and I am passing the string as a parameter which is a. Inside that I am saying return the string which is a. Method wish with the parameter of type string has been created. What I am doing here is I just want to print a string value. For that I will take another method like for suppose void test. I am saying system dot out dot print line and I am printing the wish method. Inside the wish I am passing the string good afternoon. Good afternoon and I am closing the braces. See here, what is this? Okay, here I missed to write the O. See here, method test has been created. Here I need to print the good afternoon. What I need to do here is I will just simply do the test braces. That means I am calling the method which is a test. That's it. Press enter. Good afternoon has been printed. Good afternoon has been printed. In this way, we can easily create a methods inside the Jshell. With that, we have discussed how we can create a method inside a Jshell with a simple examples. Thank you.